Hello everybody and welcome back down the creek. Today we're going to be doing our total review of the Ugly Stik Elite 7'6" medium action one piece rod. If you like gear reviews, tips and tricks, and fishing videos, you're in the right place, so I suggest you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you get notifications whenever we post new content. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, I've been fishing with this rod for a while now. Let's take an up close look at what we're working with, and then we'll get started with the review. This rod has been a true game changer for me and has helped me up my game immensely. I fished with many rods over the past few years, and this one is second to none. Ugly Stik says that this rod is ugly tough. That's their words, not mine, but I believe every bit of it. This has become my go-to rod for catfish and carp, yet it's still sensitive enough to feel a perch bite a worm. I have the Ugly Stik Elite 7'6" one piece, and this has absolutely changed the game for me. This 7'6" one piece has been an awesome addition to my rod arsenal, and it's just what the doctor ordered. This rod is a graphite fiberglass hybrid with 35% more graphite for added strength. It has a cork handle and solid stainless steel guides to avoid insert pop-outs and line wear. It also has Ugly Stik's clear tip design for increased sensitivity. It has a skeleton reel seat design for added sensitivity, but this is where I find its only flaw. The screw here is plastic and it likes to loosen up, but for a $49 price point, you can't go wrong with this rod. For the price point of $49.95 on Amazon, I'm a firm believer that this is a solid buy, And I'm also a believer that you don't need to spend a lot of money on expensive, overpriced fishing gear. For the price point that this rod is sold at, it checks all the boxes. It's affordable, it's sensitive, it's strong, and it's a winner. But hey guys, don't take my word for it. Pick yourself up one, and remember, as always, get out there and live. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.